In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to streamline your project management workflow, adding subtasks can greatly improve the way you track and manage your tasks. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. Once you're there, take a look at the work item you want to break down into more manageable parts. This is the central piece of work that requires further detail in the form of subtasks. Go ahead and click on that work item. Doing this will open up its detailed view, which is where the magic will happen. When you open the work item, you'll notice a variety of fields and sections. Among those, you'll find something called the subtask field. This is the area we'll focus on today. Spotting it is critical, as this is where you'll be creating your subtasks. Next, direct your attention to the option labeled Add Subtask. Click on this to begin creating a new subtask. This is a pivotal step, as subtasks help break down larger tasks into smaller, more digestible pieces of work. By doing this, you not only improve organization, but also enhance clarity on what needs to be done to complete the larger task. At this point, Jira offers a handy AI feature that can suggest work item subtasks for you. This can be a great time saver if you're unsure about what steps to include. However, if you prefer to customize your approach, you have the option to manually type down each subtask. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your project management workflow to match the unique requirements of your task. Once you've composed a subtask, just go ahead and press enter. This will move it into the list, and you can start adding another until all relevant subtasks are listed. As you begin adding these subtasks, you'll likely notice a helpful feature appear in the subtasks section, a progress bar. This visual tool offers a quick glance at how much of the overarching task has been tackled based on the completion of subtasks. It's a great motivator and keeps the team aligned on how close the task is to completion. By tracking the progress, you and your team can better manage deadlines and workloads, ensuring a smooth and efficient project execution. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully added subtasks to your work item in Jira. With these subtasks, you're laying down a clearer path to achieving your project goals, making task management more structured and less daunting. By incorporating subtasks into your workflow, you can ensure that your team is better organized and more productive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.